What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1987 C10 pickup truck. This truck here has a 350 under the hood. We're going to be going down the road pointing out any kind of running and driving flaws, giving you some outside shots, letting you see what this truck's about. I want you to know what it's about before you drive down here. A lot of people come from out of state to buy vehicles from us. We specialize in old classic American muscle. See all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. Financing information and shipping information is located there as well. Anything you see, all you got to do is look up the year, the model, and Maple Motors. You can get 2 videos of each car that we own. All right, guys, let's get it going. It's test drive time. Gonna taking a look around this truck. You see it's got some tinted windows. The dash is in good shape. The interior's been redone. Got a floor shifter. Carpet's been replaced. It's actually pretty clean in here. Go ahead and start it up. Check our gauges. Oil pressure's coming out. Tune gauge is still down at the moment. We'll be checking to see if that works through the test drive. Blower motor's working. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? Top right corner. Windshield wipers, they do work. It's showing 56,000 miles on the dash. That could be 156, could be 256. It does have a 350. It's not the original motor. Let's go ahead and try this horn. Horn works. A little touchy, but it works. Power windows. This one's quite a bit slower, but it still works good. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's roll out. All right. Well, I got a seat belt in here. Go ahead and put it on. I ended up going back inside and getting this. Yesterday I forgot about it. It helps out a lot when I'm starting sweating these old vehicles. Best thing ever invented, a vent window. As we're riding down the road, anything that I see, I will point it out and let you know. I don't want any surprises when you get down here. I realize there's 2 electric fans on the front of the radiator, so we should be all right on that. I will be keeping in check with the tint. Got a good sound to it. Gas gauge is floating around. That's a good sign. So it should be working. It came up from 1/4 to 1/2 just then. Speedometer is not working. Steering wise, seems tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it's turning. We're going straight down the road. We're not pulling to the left or right. Do not think the kickdown's hooked up. This thing's got plenty of power. It's definitely a built motor. It's a built 350, so I don't know exactly what's done on the inside of the motor. That's not stock, so sounds like a monster. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. On this next one, we're gonna run through the gears. Right after I get all these shots, I'm gonna start down in low and come up through them. When I put y'all on my head. All my gear can be located below in the description if you want to know what I use. I put links to Amazon so you can just easily pick it up. So far so good. Running and driving wise, we're good. The temperature gauge is coming up. It's right at 170 where it needs to be. to get these outside shots and keep this video rolling. Got y'all in the virtual driver's seat here. Definitely gonna go ahead and roll down this window here. Get a little bit more air going. Like I said, this time we're gonna be shifting from first up. Down a little bit more so you can actually see the shifter. Up on these people too fast, but yeah, shifted 3 times. You can see it's nice and tight. Screamed. So we were circling that parking lot back there getting all them shots and stuff, and I noticed the temperature never got over 200 degrees. That was perfect. The oil pressure was steadily at 30. Right. You'll set it back in third. There's a big old bump in the road up here we're gonna hit. It's coming up right beside this 18-wheeler, or it's actually behind it. Right here. Suspension's nice and smooth. That was basically a speed bump in the middle of the road there. So I always like to hit it. Gives you a good idea. Shifted 3 times just then, nice and smooth. Could hardly even tell. Go head on back to the lot up here. grab us another vehicle and do some more test drives today. Got 3 more cars to get to after this. I'm going to be posting 8 videos a day pretty much all week. We've already bought 5 cars for next week, and well, I wouldn't be surprised if we had another 10, 15 for the next update next Monday. All right, guys. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. I can get financing information. I can ship these trucks, cars all over the nation. But you have to check on my website first. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. Getting ready to get through some more cars today. As you can see, we deal in American muscle. Anything you want to look up here on YouTube, just put the year, the make, and Maple Motors behind it, and you'll be able to find 2 videos. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.